Hey folks, another S Group daily review video number 139 here. So we got our earnings last night. Pretty decent day last night, 0.41%. So I made these two amounts here. If you add them up, it's 88.89. That's how much I made last night, guys. So really great day last night. As you see now, if I go to my investments page here, you will see right now I'm at $1,189.26, guys. And I made this in 27 days, just having my money in the system automatically. So tonight is the rollover day is always 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Central Time. So tonight I'm going to roll over to 28 days. What that means is I'm going to be combining. So if you guys have been following me, I combine my two investments every 28 days. Because after 30 days, the investments go stale and they're stagnant. You can't actually touch them anymore. So they just keep continuously, they just stay there. And basically, you get to a point where you got to pay the maintenance fee. So if you just leave it, you'll eventually have to pay the maintenance fee. But what I find is when you combine, it pushes the maintenance fee back. At least it did in the last two. So we'll have to see what happens tonight. But I'm going to do one tonight. I'll probably do another video tonight because I have to send another member $300. I got some commission that came in last night, about $3 and change. So this didn't really go up too much, but this is going to be well over $300 because it's going to be this monthly income amount is actually going to go get shot up to here, whatever this is after tonight, after we earn the money on our investment tonight. Hopefully we have a good day. I'm looking for this to be somewhere around 1,300. That's going to be like 300. So it's going to be around 15, 1,600, something in there. And then I'm going to take 300, send it to a member because he already sent me money to my checking account. And then the rest, I might just take about maybe $600, $700, throw it back into the principal. So this principal amount here, 26,000, will go up to like 26,600, whatever. And the next month I want to be over 27,000. And then the month after that, 28,000. That's gonna be exciting, guys. So I should be around 30,000, probably about August, September, something like that. Of course, if I win the lottery or something, I can or win some money, I could put more money in here. But so that's how it's going along, guys. As you see, things are moving along real well. I'm at $25,467 in total income profit since I started my account in October of 2020. That's how much money I've made, guys. And as time goes on, I've been enjoying the money. So my goal is to keep, like I said, growing this principal, and want to get this to like 50,000 maybe sometime next year. That'll be exciting. So guys, if you're if you're looking into S Group, if you're looking at these videos and follow me, I really appreciate that. I appreciate everyone that's sending me emails and with questions about the system, how it works, and how to fund your account and how to do withdrawals and everything. I do have some videos on that as well if you look down below. And yeah, S Group is really growing, guys. As you see this section here, there's a lot of different areas you can get involved in. S Forex Pro, high risk, high rewards. If you have some money hanging around, a few thousand, you can throw it in here. And the earnings is really great. It's still in beta testing though, but S Real Estate, it speaks for itself. If you want to get into stock, or sorry, not stocks, but if you want to get into like investing in real estate, various real estate opportunities, I have that. Crypto, pharmaceutical, everything is in here, guys. All you got to do is go in the back office and read and absorb the information, absorb the knowledge. I just wanted to make this 5 minute, getting close to the end here. I want to make this 5 minute daily review to you guys, just like I do all each and every time, to show you how my account is doing. And then once I combine these investments that I'll be doing later tonight, what will happen is this amount here will reset back to zero. This will be growing all over again into 28 days, which is when I combine and reinvest and take out. So yeah, I might want to take out 500 of this, and the other 500 I'll just kind of put it back in the system. So just think 500. So I'll have like about 700. So that's what I mean. I'll probably put like about 700 back into here, guys. So it's all good. So I'm excited for later tonight. So watch my next video. That's going to be happening. and you'll see me send this money, $300 to the other member as well, which is a great feature in this group. So see you guys in the next video, and it's my 5-minute daily review video. And yeah, don't forget to click on the sign up button down below to sign up underneath my team. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button down below this video so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, see all my updates. So see you guys in the next one. Take care.